Our growing fleet has been retrofitted with turbo diesel engines, unaffected by heat and altitude, autopilot and ASSD, enabling limitless travel throughout Southern Africa, where Jet A1 and diesel is regularly available. This is what the future of aviation should look like: practical, robust, advanced and tailor-made. With SkyTime, you have the option to build your hours and fly yourself to far-flung destinations. Coupled with our carefully compiled training program, you can choose from a variety of pre-planned routes to maximize your experience and enjoyment. Fly locally, regionally or internationally, and cover a huge spectrum of skills, ranging from flight planning, crossing airspaces, radio and navigation skills, to customs clearance procedures, formation flying, and flying over open water. Exclusivity is key. Hire and Fly offers you the opportunity to utilize our fully spec'd fleet to reach secluded destinations that are not easily accessible by road. Enjoy real Africa at your own leisure with the privilege of exclusive travel. Flying through Africa is truly within your reach. Contact us now and let SkyTime make this the experience of a lifetime.